Kenmore sewing machines are renowned for their durability, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced sewist tackling complex projects, there's a Kenmore machine to suit your needs. From basic mechanical models to advanced computerized machines, Kenmore offers a variety of features to enhance your sewing experience. Enjoy adjustable stitch settings, automatic threading, and a range of built-in stitches to accommodate all your creative endeavors. One of the standout features of Kenmore sewing machines is their reliability and consistency. With sturdy construction and precise engineering, Kenmore machines deliver smooth, professional results every time, allowing you to sew with confidence and precision. Plus, Kenmore offers a wide range of accessories and attachments to expand your sewing capabilities. From specialty presser feet to quilting guides and embroidery hoops, you'll have everything you need to take your sewing projects to the next level. In conclusion, Kenmore sewing machines are more than just tools, they're partners in creativity, empowering you to bring your sewing visions to life with ease and confidence. Whether you're sewing garments, quilts, or home decor, Kenmore has the perfect machine to help you achieve your sewing dreams. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.